Beneath our feet lies a hidden world, soil, alive with billions of organisms forming the foundation of all terrestrial life. Most see only the surface dry, cracked, lifeless. But this is a landscape in distress, not defeat. The solution isn't chemicals or heavy machinery. It's a simple, natural process. Feed, water, and protect the soil. We'll show how plain cardboard, organic matter and mulch can transform barren ground into a thriving garden. By working with nature, we become facilitators, not controllers, of regeneration. Let's discover the lazy gardener's secret to building rich, living soil. Our journey starts with cardboard, a humble source of carbon, the main energy for soil fungi. Laying cardboard on the ground feeds fungi, blocks weeds and locks in moisture, creating a stable, humid environment for life to flourish. As it breaks down, cardboard turns into humus, the dark, spongy material that defines fertile soil. Earthworms pull fragments deeper, mixing and aerating the soil, while fungi and microbes convert waste into life. This simple act suppresses weeds, conserves water, and builds structure. No chemicals or tilling required. Cardboard, once destined for the landfill, becomes the cornerstone of a revitalized ecosystem. It's the first step in a chain reaction that brings dead soil back to life. Now, the soil needs fuel to power this underground revival. Next, we add nitrogen-rich organic matter, compost, aged manure or kitchen scraps on top of the cardboard. This feeds microbes and prevents nitrogen lockup, ensuring plants aren't starved as decomposition begins. Compost releases nutrients slowly, supporting healthy plant growth without runoff or root burn. Worms and soil creatures mix these layers, aerating and enriching the soil naturally. Even kitchen scraps become valuable fuel for this living system. This layer powers the soil's engine, accelerating transformation and building fertility. With the foundation and fuel in place, one final element is needed: protection. The last step is mulch, a protective layer of straw leaves or wood chips over the organic matter. Mulch shields soil from heat, cold, wind and rain, keeping temperatures stable and moisture locked in. It softens rainfall, prevents erosion, and drastically reduces evaporation, creating ideal conditions for microbes and roots. As mulch slowly decomposes, it feeds the soil, continuing the cycle of renewal. This sheet mulching mimics the forest floor, where new layers are always added, building soil year after year. Whether you use straw wood chips or leaves, the principle is the same: protect and feed the life below. With this final layer, nature takes over, working non-stop to create rich, fertile ground. The lazy gardener's job is done. Nature's work is just beginning. The transformation is complete. Barren ground becomes living soil, teeming with life and potential. Cardboard, organic matter and mulch, simple, affordable and effective, are all you need for a thriving garden. By nurturing soil as a living ecosystem, we create resilient gardens with less work and no chemicals. The real labor is done by fungi, bacteria and earthworms. We simply set the stage. Apply these principles anywhere to heal and regenerate the land, deepening your connection to nature. Subscribe to Nature's Blueprint, share this guide, and let nature do the heavy lifting.